Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back once again to the channel. You know, it is JJ with you once again. First time here, hit the, subscribe button. Hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video or live stream. Okay, guys. I tore apart this PC right here. See, I'll give you guys a closer up. This one right here. I tore all the fans out because I want to put these in. These fans right here. Now, I'm going to state this. I apologize for the graininess. I am using my old camera and my new camera. Well, actually, this 2-year-old camera and this 3-year-old camera. So, it is what it is. Until I can find a camera that actually gets better shots that will actually do a better job. So, in the meantime, we will do the best we can to make sure you guys see it correctly. Okay, so looking at everything I got cooking right here, seems that I got a bunch of fans with a bunch of dust on it. Didn't even look at it. Didn't even think about scrubbing them. So we'll just scrubby-dubby them real quick. These fans are not new. These fans I got back 3 years ago. This is called repurposing your hardware. And by doing that, you save yourself a ton of money. So that's the whole idea, is to save a bunch of money.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So that way you guys can see the top side. So I got 3 more fans, 1 and 2, 3. Okay, so we got 3 more fans. And yes, the camera still looks like fuzzy shit and nothing I can do about it. I know there's people out there that, you know, get into my comments and they say, Jay, get rid of that fuzzy shit. Jay can't do nothing about the fuzzy shit. Jay is a broke son of a bitch. So there, you got my answer. Between this car accident, people hounding me, you know, I gotta deal with. Okay, guys, here's the deal. My camera, well, actually, for some reason, didn't record the last little bit. But this is what I did get. So let's go ahead and and show you the results. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my God. Oh, somebody hit the switch. Hit the wrong switch. Oh, you gotta love this one too. Well, as you guys seen, I shortened up the video. I turned it off. I shortened it up, gave you a little bit of a preview of it and what it looks like. It's bright when it comes to those fans. They're just too bright. But you know what? You can tone it down, and that's all that matters. But sorry I had to shorten up the video. I didn't want to make it too long, so we're just going to get to the end of this, and we're going to go on to the next video. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video or live stream. Until the next time and the next video, you know what it is, and we'll see you on the next one.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.